Hello, how are you? Welcome to this new video. Today we will see how to fix the error that the Beast of Reincarnation game does not start. So, first of all, let's go to Steam and select the game Beast of Reincarnation. And we go to the little nut and then click on Properties. Now let's go to where it says Files Installed, and we check the integrity of all the files. We wait for you to verify. You wait for me to finish verifying the files. And if any file is damaged or missing any file, automatically the download of them will start and they will be installed. So, after that, see if it works. If not, this is the second method. The second method now is... Let's go back to Steam. Back to Properties. And now we click on Browse. And it will take us to the root file of the game. Then we select the exe of Beast of Reincarnation. And we right-click. Show more options, Properties. Now in Compatibility. And we click on Disable Full Screen Optimization. And Run as Administrator. We click on Apply and OK. I don't do it because it's working very well for me. Now, if this method doesn't work for you either, let's go to the third method. The third method is to go to our Windows browser. And we look for the following. Device Manager. Device Manager. And now we go to where it says Display Adapters. And we click on Update Driver on top of the name of our graphic card. And we click on where it says Search automatically for drivers. And it will start to install the drivers of our graphic card. Now, if this method didn't work for you either, let's do the fourth method. The fourth method is go to our application of our graphic card. If it is NVIDIA, to our application of NVIDIA. And if the graphic we have is of AMD or Intel, we download the application of its due brand. So, let's go to where it says Drivers. And we click on Double Add. And it will start to download the new updates and drivers for our graphic card. Now, the fifth and last step. The last and fifth method. Let's go to our favorite browser. And we look for the following. K++. Redistributable. And we click. Now, let's go to the web page. And this Microsoft web page will appear. We go down almost to the end. And we will find, with the versions of Visual C++ Redistributable. So, we download the x86 version. And we download the x64 version. Now what we do is install. It seems to me to repair, because I already have it installed. But if you do not have them installed, what you should do is give continue next, and install the program. The same with these, with the x86 and with the x64. Do the same. And that would be all. Now we can play our game. Beast of Reincarnation. Be there with pleasure. Greetings to all. Subscribe and like if it was helpful. And see you in the next video. Bye.